Here's how to change Facebook cover photo without notifying everyone. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, launch open the Facebook app. You want to tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen, then tap on your username. Here, you want to add a cover photo. Go ahead and select here. You can either upload a photo or choose cover photo from Facebook. Now go ahead and select your preferred photo. After that, tap on the save option. Now by default, Facebook will notify everyone that you have uploaded your cover photo. So if you do not want people to know about this, simply scroll down and here you will find your new post. Tap on these three dots. Now find the option of hide from profile. Select that, then tap on confirm. Once you do that, no one will be now notified about your cover photo change. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.